The world is changing quickly. People no longer live their lives like in the Stone Age. Almost everything we do and how we do it have changed. The way we handle money has changed too. Before, people used to keep their money at home. Now, most of us have a bank account where we save our money till we need it. As the business grows, the owner opens a bank account for the business. The cash book will now have a new column for bank transactions. Any money paid into the bank by customers will be recorded at the debit side of the cash book in the bank column. The balance on the bank column is the cash at bank, and the balance on the cash column is the cash in hand. When money is taken from the bank to the office or cash is paid from the business, it is called a contra entry. The letter C is used to indicate a contra entry. A contra entry appears on both sides of the cash book since it involves cash and bank. The balance on the cash column for 1 month is taken to start the next month as a debit balance. When the bank allows the business to collect more money from its account, it is called a bank overdraft. This means that the business owes the bank. It is called a liability. The double cash book has 10 columns, 5 on the debit side and 5 on the credit side. The 5 columns are the date column, the narration column, folio column, the cash column, and the bank column. A business that has a double column cash book has both bank and cash transactions, just like humans can have cash at hand and cash in the bank. Hope you had fun. See you in my next class.